The Galaxy Z Flip 7 might just end up being the foldable to beat in 2025, and honestly, that wouldn't shock anyone. Samsung's Flip series has always nailed it in terms of form factor: small, stylish, and way more affordable than the bigger Fold. So, what's coming this year with the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Quite a bit, actually. Samsung has already teased new foldables that are thinner, lighter, and tougher, and while the company didn't mention the Flip 7 by name, let's be real, it's definitely in the mix. Leaks say that the main display could stretch to 6.85 inches from 6.7 on its predecessor, and the cover screen will grow to 4 inches, up from 3.4 inches on the Flip 6. If you're one of us that has been praying for Samsung to address the crease issue on its foldable phones, it seems our prayers is finally getting answered. Report suggests that Samsung is refining the hinge mechanism on its upcoming foldables, offering a smoother fold and a less visible crease, which would make everyday use feel more seamless. Another big visual change coming to the Z Flip 7 is a full cover display. As we've seen from the renders, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will feature a cover screen that stretches across the entire front panel, which means you could do way more without needing to flip open the device. And yeah, the color options might expand too. Rumors hint at coral reds, deep blue, and the classic black finish, giving the Flip 7 a refreshed palette for 2025. Battery life is getting a boost too. The Flip 7 may pack a 4,300 mAh battery, up from 4,000 mAh, and with a more efficient chip and improved cooling, we can expect better overall endurance. Unfortunately though, not everything is changing. Multiple sources says the camera setup will stay the same, featuring a 50-megapixel main shooter, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel selfie sensor. However, Samsung's new image processing engine could still bring noticeable improvements in photo and video quality. As for which chipset will power the device, there's still a bit of uncertainty in this area. Some say the company's Exynos 2500 might show up, but most leaks lean toward the latest Snapdragon processor. But regardless of which chipset ends up in the device, we can be certain of top-notch performance. That said, with the official launch expected in the coming weeks, more details about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 are likely to emerge soon, so we suggest you subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.